Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Coding with Ree channel. So as you have already seen the thumbnail that the first part will be unboxing this swag kit and the second part will be clearing your questions, answers to how to apply, where to apply and when to apply. So before jumping into that, please give a like to this video, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. My channel is give the content related to coding. So let's get started. So here I am with my swag kit, so let's open it. So the first thing I get is the certificate. As you can see on your screen, this is a beta certificate. And then I got this bottle. So over here you can see that Microsoft is written over here, and in the back side of it, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So this is a pretty good bottle and I will use it. And inside the box there is another box, a small box you can see. So it includes a card, so I can use this card in anywhere of the Microsoft event. And in this box we have this Rubik cube, and you can see the logo of the Microsoft over here. And then I guess these are the bands you can use. And then over here this is a stress buster. So you can see, create a noise, a kind of a weird noise, but it is a good one. And it also includes some stickers which I have already used in my laptop, as you can see over here. So now my laptop is looking pretty good, kind of a filled one. And what else? I also got these socks. This is a pretty cute socks, and over here it's Microsoft is written, and it also includes colors like yellow, blue, red, basically which the logo of the Microsoft hold. And the last one is this t-shirt. Over here you can see, and back of it is written "Be the force for good." And that's it. So MLSA is a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. This is a program which is conducted by Microsoft for the university students. So if you want to apply for that, you have to write MLSA and then just click on this site, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and you will reach to their sites. Then the next thing you have to do is just do the sign up, and after that click on the apply now button. So now you have to fill this application form. So there are basically 7 to 6 steps you have to fill. So the first is nothing, just you have to read and then click on the next button, and then you come to the privacy and terms. So in the privacy and term, they basically tells you the eligibility criteria, which is you need to be at least 16 years old in the time of submission, and you need to be enrolled full time in academics, and you should have a valid identification. So does not matter if you are in which year, if you are a university and a college student, you are eligible for that. Now just click on the next button, and here you will come to the personal information. So when you click on your personal information, the first thing you have to fill is your first name, then your last name, gender, and then you have to click on the pronoun, then the email ID, date of birth, all these stuff. And after that you have to come to the academic institution information, where you have to fill your all academic information, like where is your college, is the state name, the name of your college, the degree level you are taking, and the expected graduation date. After that you have to give the answer of the application questions. So in this section, application questions, you need to give the answers. So as they have said that please answer the question in the following section with 1 or 2 written example, only 1 video. So what they are saying that you will have the 3 questions. So the first question need to be taken by making a video which you can took from your phone or webcam. So over here you can choose that whichever topic you want to give in a video format. Like for example, if I want to give the topic this inspire, I will click on the inspire, and over here in the inspire section we have to give the link of my video. So what you can do, make a video on your phone and then save it on your drive and give the link over here. After that, in the tag and the promote, you have to add essays. So like in the tag, they have asked how would you take a technical concept and teach it to a friend or peer that has never heard it of. So how you can start it, like you can start like, first of all, I would like to understand what is the background of my friend, and then I would like to make my topic more interesting. And after that, you can write it like this way. And after they have asked promotions, like they have asked, if you were hosting a technical event, what step would you take to increase awareness about your event and attract the targeted audience? So over here you can write it like you can make the pamphlets and send it over to your friend manually, or you can use your social media, you can use your handles to create the awareness. And or what else you can do, you can ask your teachers to gather more audience. So in this way you can write down your essay. And after that, you will have the social media. So over here you have to paste all your URLs. So over here it's have a GitHub URL. If you have your resume, you can paste it down. If you don't have, just don't paste it down, because in my time I wasn't having my URL, so I haven't attached it. So also, if you have your LinkedIn profile, you can add the URL of it in it. And there we have Stack Overflow. So try to fill all the URL. If you don't have the account, just create it and paste your URL over here, and then click on the next, and you will come to the additional information. So over here, so the first thing they are asking, which of the following technology interests you. So you can add multiple technologies which interest you. And after that, they're asking, is there anything else would you like to share with us? So at my time, I just wrote that please give me the opportunity, because I need it, because I want to grow with other, because I want to do service. So things like that which seems appealing. So things like that. So you just have to fill your application form and submit, and just wait, and you just have to wait. So what happens is that evaluation of your form happens quarterly, that after every 4 months. So wait till the deadline of the 4 months, and if you get selected, well and good. If you don't get selected, just try to fill it again after the 4 month and click on the submit. If you have any query, you can write it down on the comment section, or you can also comment me on LinkedIn account. I would like to answer your questions.